At the seminary, we work hard to create with you an online learning community. And we do that in various ways, but one of the ways we do it is through, for each online class, teleconferencing together. And right now, the seminary uses free software to do that called Zoom. And if you're new to that, if you haven't done that yet, you can go to the seminary's intranet, and there you can find the links and information on how to download and install the software. It takes just like minutes. It's a really short process. It's easy to do. And there's a tutorial there on how to use it. Generally, we don't have very many problems with it, although on occasion there'll be an audio problem or a video problem. So I do suggest that if you're using a video camera for this, which I hope you do because that way we can see each other. Most students actually really like to do that. That you should also have a phone nearby so that you can call in, because the software allows you to do video conferencing as well as just calling in teleconferencing. And so you can do either one. So it's good to have a backup, especially the first time or two that you use it, just to see how Zoom works with your particular computer or mobile device setup. The dates for our Zoom meetings for this course will be posted on the course website, and also in advance of each of the meetings I will typically send out an email a few days ahead of time to remind you of the date and the time, and I'll let you know what the content is going to be. Usually the content is the primary point of the meetings is for us to have a chance to see each other and to talk, for you to ask questions, for me just to get a sense of how you're doing. And then often we'll have some other content related to whatever it is that we're doing at that particular point in the semester. So I'll let you know about the specific content of the meetings. They'll vary depending on the time of the semester we meet. And so I'll send that out to you in advance. And overall, I hope that you find our meetings together this way something that you really enjoy, a chance to get to see each other. The meetings are only an hour long. You'll see the times for those, and so I suggest that you try to log on to the Zoom system about 5 minutes in advance, just in case there are any audio-visual issues, just so you can have it all set, because we will try to start right on time and, of course, finish on time as well, if not a little early. But depending on the size of the course, if we have a lot of students in the course, that 1 hour can go pretty quickly, depending what we're doing, and if everyone's participating in some way, asking questions, whatever. So it's really important that we start and end those meetings on time. So do try and log on a couple minutes early, and I will look forward to meeting you through those meetings and seeing you, and I hope that you enjoy them.